Every headline is the same. AI is coming for your job. But here's the truth no one in the corporate world will tell you. They don't want you prepared. They want you terrified. Fear is the cheapest management tool they have. They call it digital transformation. I call it the AI fear tax. Today, we're not debating if AI works. We're exposing the psychological reasons your company benefits from this panic. And I'll give you 3 actionable ways to fight back without quitting your job. Corporations love the AI panic. It's the perfect smokescreen for the human biases they've always used to control us. Fear has always kept us in line, and now AI is just the latest tool in their arsenal. The fixer tax. That's the cost companies quietly pay to manage smart, independent thinkers who challenge the process. AI is the perfect excuse to get rid of them. The cuts aren't about incompetence, they're about conformity. Your boss isn't using AI to save money, they're using it to get rid of the people who might expose their inefficiencies. They cut the critical thinker, hire a yes man, and blame it on the robot. It's a clean narrative that protects their ego. But here's the real issue. AI isn't the problem, fear is, and it's time to take back control. The AI fear tax is paid every time you work harder for free. When you're scared of automation, you don't negotiate raises, you don't push back on scope creep, and you'll frantically buy expensive, low-value AI certifications just to stay relevant. Your company isn't investing in your future, they're investing in your anxiety. You're working 20% harder for a 0% raise because you're scared a machine can replace you. That's the fear tax in action. It's paid in lost peace of mind and the free labor you give them out of sheer panic. Don't fall for the AI certification scam. Your boss knows that AI, like any other corporate tool, will be implemented poorly and slowly, but they use the hype to justify devaluing your expertise. They want you to believe your decade of experience is now obsolete, forcing you back into the corporate education loop. They're not selling you a skill, they're selling you a temporary badge of belonging in the new corporate in-group that can be revoked next year. It's the same credentialism trap we've always seen, just with AI stamped on it. You can stop paying the AI fear tax right now by shifting your focus from their system to your resilience. Stop competing with AI on its turf. Your job isn't to generate more output faster. Your job is to sell complex judgment, high-context communication, and strategic oversight. The machine can write the draft, but it can't navigate the political minefield of a client pitch or negotiate a contract. Focus on the skills that are un-automatable: curiosity, ambiguity management, and empathy. Your real value is knowing what to do with AI's output, not generating it. Your corporate job is a client that pays you to fund your personal safety system. The system is rigged, so build your own. Invest in your fixer tax reserve, a financial buffer that gives you peace of mind to challenge the status quo without starving. Spend your off hours building a verifiable skill portfolio: GitHub, a niche blog, real projects that you control, independent of your company's next restructuring email. If your manager says AI is handling the rote work, use that as leverage to cut your scope creep. Your response should be, great, if the machine is handling Y administrative tasks, then I will use that time to focus on X high-value strategic initiative. Use AI as leverage to enforce your boundaries, not as an excuse to accept more work. Boundaries don't protect your time, they protect your value. The AI revolution is psychological, not just technological. Once you understand the AI fear tax is about a control, not efficiency, you can stop paying it. Your job isn't to beat the machine, it's to stop letting the machine's hype dictate your value. You now know how they use the AI narrative to justify cuts, but AI is just the latest excuse for the old corporate biases. If you've ever felt that stomach drop moment when the email lands and you realize the cuts aren't logical, you need to see the full playbook. What's the psychological toll of the AI fear tax? The emotional cost is just as real as the financial one. The fear of being replaced doesn't just rob you of your peace of mind, but it eats away at your creativity, passion, and overall well-being. This isn't just about jobs, it's about your life. The anxiety you carry from AI fear doesn't stay at the office. It follows you home, affecting your relationships, health, and your ability to grow. Take Sarah, a senior designer at a tech company. She's been with the company for over 8 years, leading teams, innovating processes, and pushing for improvements. But recently, she's heard that AI could do her job. Suddenly, she's pulling longer hours, taking AI-related courses, and second-guessing her worth. The AI fear tax is real, and it's draining her. Sound familiar? The AI fear tax can also be about leveraging AI strategically. AI is a tool, not your competition. Your goal should be to leverage AI for your own strategic advantage. Use automation to free up time for high-level thinking, and find ways to make your skills even more irreplaceable. AI isn't something to fear, it's something to use. I want to hear from you. How are you handling the AI fear tax at work? What steps have you taken to stop letting AI control your value? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's help each other break free. Watch this video next. You weren't laid off because you were bad. It was just the easiest way out. We break down the authority bias and in-group bias that drive corporate cuts and how to make sure you're never the easiest one to let go. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.